Foundation repair. Should you buy a home with issues? This is a question many homebuyers face. Your dream home seems perfect except for one thing. It needs foundation repairs. Is it worth the risk? This video will walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Look for warning signs like uneven floors, cracks in the walls, and sticking doors and windows. This could indicate underlying foundation problems. But even homes that have already had repairs need careful examination. Mismatched concrete or persisting issues can be red flags. Ignoring serious issues can lead to complete foundation failure and costly repairs down the road. But proper repairs can also strengthen a foundation. You need to understand the risks and benefits. Inspections and expert opinions are invaluable when considering a home with foundation repairs. A structural engineer's report can provide in-depth analysis of the foundation and structure. Specialized inspections can reveal vulnerabilities to water damage or pest infestations. Know how long repairs are expected to last. There are also legal considerations. Sellers are required to disclose foundation repairs and issues. You must do your due diligence by asking questions and requesting documentation. Inspections and contingencies in the purchase agreement can protect you if problems arise later. Finances are also critical. Foundation repairs can impact mortgages, insurance premiums, resale value, and maintenance costs. Consult professionals to understand the financial implications fully. An experienced real estate agent is invaluable for properties with foundation repairs. They know the local market and can connect you to the right inspectors and contractors. They'll help you negotiate the best deal. In summary, buying a home with foundation repairs requires research, expert help, and thorough inspections. But with the right guidance, your dream home could be within reach. Let the experts help you make the right call. Contact Instant Buy.